Right now, someone could be watching you through your own security camera. And the worst part? Most people have no idea this is even happening. If you have cameras in your home or business, this could be happening to you too. It sounds extreme, but it's real. There are search tools online that scan the entire internet looking for connected devices, including security cameras. In fact, with a simple search, millions of devices can be found. Not hacked, not broken into, just exposed. Visible to anyone who knows where to look. Now think about this. You install cameras to protect your home, your office, your store. But without realizing it, those same cameras could be accessible from the outside, giving strangers a window into your private space. So, how do you know if your camera is safe? In less than 60 seconds, you can check it yourself. And no, you don't need to be a tech expert. First, we need your internet address. It's called your IP address. Think of it like your home address on the internet. To find it, go to Google and type "what is my IP?" Open any result, and you'll see a number on the screen. That number is your public IP address. Copy it, then go to a website called Shodan. This site scans the internet looking for exposed devices. Paste your IP address into the search bar and press enter. In seconds, you'll see what parts of your network are visible from the outside. Now here's what matters. If you see no results found, that's a good sign. It means your devices are not openly exposed. But if you see any results, even just one, you should pay attention, because that could mean your devices, including cameras, are visible on the internet. And that's where the risk begins. Now, before you panic, understand this. Most of the time, this doesn't happen because someone hacked you. It happens because of simple settings. Small things that are easy to fix, like weak passwords. Many cameras come with default login credentials, and a lot of people never change them. These are extremely easy to guess. So, if you haven't changed yours yet, do it now. Use something strong, unique, with letters, numbers, and symbols. Another common issue is direct remote access. Some setups allow your camera to be accessed directly from the internet. It sounds convenient, but it can create a direct path to your device. If your camera has an official app, it's usually safer to use that instead of exposing it directly. And there's one more thing most people don't even know about. It's called UPnP. This feature allows devices in your network to automatically open access to the internet. In other words, your camera could be exposing itself without you even realizing it. Disabling UPnP on your router gives you more control over what is actually visible. Now, this isn't about fear. It's about awareness. Because once you understand the risk, the solution becomes simple. A few small changes can make a huge difference in protecting your privacy. So take 1 minute, run the test, and make sure your cameras are not exposed. If this helped you, share this video with someone who uses security cameras. Most people have no idea this is even possible. And if you want more simple, practical tips like this, subscribe to the channel. Now tell me in the comments, did your search come back clean, or did you find something? Because when it comes to security, what you don't see is what puts you at risk.